The concrete floor is very rough. It's got a lot of sharp things on it. Let's do a destructive experiment with this. We still use this DS3/2. It has just been cleaned 200 meters. The wear and tear will be relatively severe. The friction is very high. Although there is a lot of friction, but the tear resistance is still okay. The entire surface is still intact. No obvious damage. Next, use the MR. This MR has just been cleaned for 200 meters. The friction is very high. You can see that the sponge has been worn off. This edge will be slightly broken. It was less obvious, but there is no tearing of the whole piece either. Now this one is different melamine sponge and different process. I feel the friction is not as big as the previous one. The same material, different processes. This one is too rough. It's still intact, just a little bit worn. Check out this DH2. Same process, different manufacturers. Super friction. It will be dragged a little more often. The overall abrasion resistance is ideal. Let's test this one again. The density will be higher. The slightly whiter ones are the tiny particles rubbed off by the nano cotton. The wear seems to be more obvious. Let's test the MR. Slightly worn, no blocks dropped. Test a household mop cotton bought online. Relatively hard. The third time has reached the bottom. This cannot be used on rough surfaces. Can only be used on smooth brick surfaces. This is scouring cloth, which is similar to DS2 and DS3/2. Suck some water. The friction is too strong. The friction on the surface is too great. The water is not full. There will be a phenomenon of rubbing off. Overall, this effect is obvious, and this effect is also acceptable. This may be because it is too hard. Hit this extremely rough ground, where it's more obvious. It's soft and it's elastic. The whole surface looks very obvious. This one is slightly weaker, but it's still not bad overall. I bought this 80 cm holder online 2 to 3 times. It has been completely used up. It can only be used on some smooth surfaces. The first one just now may be that the water is not full. It's obviously torn apart. But look at the wear and tear on the back. In fact, this one is the same as this one. It's just that its craftsmanship is different. This is the result of the entire test. Rough cement ground test result.